How to change your Gmail profile picture. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail profile picture. Updating your profile photo helps personalize your Google account and is visible across Gmail and other Google services. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap your name or manage your Google account. Next, go to the Personal Info tab and tap your current profile picture. Then choose whether to take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Adjust the photo if needed, then tap Save as Profile Picture, or Save to apply the changes. It may take a few minutes for your new profile picture to appear across all Google services. That's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail profile picture. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.